Okay, we're going to use the Instant Pot today. We're going to make a roast. It's $10.31 for a 5-pound roast. Come from Food City. It says pork loin shoulder roast. No, pork loin sirloin roast. Trying to read it with the camera in front of it. Sorry. Pork loin sirloin roast. And it's 5 pounds. And it was $1.99 a pound. So it made $10.31. You'll need 5 taters. You'll need some onions, salt and pepper, some water, and roast. And need a crock pot and an Instant Pot. And I think it'll make us at least 4 meals. So here we go. Inside our Instant Pot, we got our 10-cup thing, and then we got our middle piece. We're going to start making a roast now. We washed our roast. We're going to put it fat side down. Okay. Now I'm going to wash my hands again. Okay, we're going to use some garlic powder. Garlic powder. Onion powder. It went everywhere. Some salt. One can of chicken broth. Five potatoes cut lengthwise and onions cut up. Been washed them already. Make sure they go all the way around the roast. One bag of carrots cut up small. Make sure they go in the roast. Might have to work it to get it in there. Okay, let's put some salt and some pepper. I stuffed it in there as much as I could. Okay, let's put a can of water in there. Okay, we got it on the ceiling. Okay, let's put pressure level, menu. Okay. This is for meat. P1 is. Okay, now we're going to put, see how much minutes we can put on here. We got it set on 60 minutes. Okay, it's starting to cook. Now it's getting up. When it gets up to pressure, then it'll take 60 minutes. And then we'll check it and see if it's done or not. Please don't never let that seal off while it's cooking. Or open it up, I mean. Don't never try to open it up while it's cooking. It will blow you up. Or burn you up. Please don't never do that. And it's trying to come up to pressure right now. When you're cooking with one of these, make sure it's sealing, not venting. Sealing. Let me show you what the bird's done. We threw their nest away, and now they come back and laid an egg anyway. In my grapes. Poinsettia. Parsley. It's up to pressure now. So we got 59 minutes to wait. Okay, it's done. In a little bit, we're going to let the pressure off. Then we're going to cut the meat up. Put the taters and carrots and all in my slow cooker where I can just dip it out today and eat it as I want. So, thanks for watching. Push the like and subscribe button at Tawynia Fugate / Home Cooking YouTube. We're using my Highland pressure cooker, not Instant Pot, pressure cooker. That's what we're using today. Let's let the steam off. Okay, there's no steam. So we're going to unplug it. Because we're not going to use it no more today. And we're going to cut the stuff up in it. And we're going to put it in my slow cooker. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. This is what it looks like after I get the roast out. Here's our roast we got out. We're going to saute our meat. We got it cut up the way we wanted it. We got our taters and our carrots and our onions in here with a stick of butter. It's going to saute for 30 minutes. Okay, you hear that sound? It's starting to sizzle. Now we're going to put half a stick of butter in there. Okay, let's saute this up. We made gravy with our pot roast. Here it is. And thanks for watching. And this is the end of the video. We're going to eat here in a minute. Thanks for watching. Takes an hour and a half for the roast to get done. And I've sauteed these pieces of meat. And now I made gravy. All I did was add flour, butter, salt and pepper, and milk. And you see what I got there. Looks good, don't it? Thanks for watching.